Good day, my dear students. Our topic for today is about how does the force of magnets work. In lesson 1, magnetic force is an attraction force usually associated with electrical currents and magnets. Magnetic force attracts opposite forces. Each magnet has a north end and a south end, each of which attracts the opposite ends of another magnet. For example, a north magnetic end will attract a south magnetic end, and vice versa. North ends of magnets repel each other, and the vice versa. Magnets also create an attractive force with certain metals. Have you tried using a magnet? Okay, very good. It's amazing to know how a magnet works. It has a lot of uses, which can be very helpful in our daily lives. Magnets can attract things made of certain materials. These things are known as magnetic things. On the other hand, things that are not attracted by magnets are known as non-magnetic things. Here are the examples of the magnetic things and non-magnetic things. So we will identify, my dear students, if the pictures that I'm going to show you is a magnetic thing or is a magnetic thing. Okay, so here, number 1, is it a magnetic thing or magnetic? Magnetic thing or non-magnetic? Okay, very good. It is a non-magnetic thing. Number 2, yes, very good. It is a magnetic thing. Number 3, very good. It is non-magnetic thing. Very good. How about this? Very good. These are non-magnetic things. Okay, so a magnet is a material that has an iron core and has electric charges running around it. A magnet is produced in various shapes and sizes depending on its use. The most common is the bar magnet. Other types of magnets are rectangular magnet, ring magnet, horseshoe magnet, circular magnet, and cylindrical magnet, as here in our slide shown. Magnets exert force and cause certain objects to move. Some objects are attracted or pulled towards a magnet. Other objects are pushed away by a magnet. The push and pull of a magnet are called magnetism. Magnetic poles exert the strongest force in a magnet. They are usually found on the two ends of a magnet. Every magnet has two poles, the north pole and the south pole. If the poles are different, then they will pull together or attract each other. If the poles are the same, then they will push apart or repel each other. Objects that are attracted to magnets are called magnetic. Objects that are not affected by magnets are non-magnetic. Iron nails, metal paper clips, and nickel coins are magnetic, while erasers, glasses, and plastic ruler are non-magnetic objects. Look at these pairs of magnets, which will attract each other and which one will repel. Okay, so it will attract or it will repel. Okay, so let us reveal. It will repel because the end pull are the same, north to north and south to south. Next, alright, is it will attract or it will repel? Okay, so let us reveal the answer. Okay, very good. It will attract because there is the opposite side of the magnet, which is the South Pole and the North Pole. Another, okay, it will attract or it will repel. Okay, let us reveal the answer. It will attract because there is the opposite end, which is the North Pole and the South Pole of the magnet. Okay, how about this? It will attract or it will repel. Okay, so let us reveal the answer. It will repel. Very good, my dear students. Okay, how about this? Alright, very good. If your answer is attract, your answer is correct.